Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on mobile. First, ensure you own a legitimate copy of Undertale on your personal computer. This process involves using a special porting application to convert the game files for mobile use. While touch controls are available, many players find that connecting a Bluetooth controller offers a much more comfortable and precise gaming experience. Let's get started with the necessary preparations. Next, you need to locate the core game files from your PC version of Undertale. Navigate to your game's installation directory, typically found within your Steam or GOG library folders. The most crucial file you will need is data. Win, along with any other essential assets like music and sprites. Always use files from a legally purchased copy to support the game's creators and ensure a smooth porting process. Now, it is time to transfer those game files to your mobile device. Connect your phone to your computer and move the data. Win file and other assets into a designated folder. Open the porting application on your mobile device, select the transferred files, and follow the on-screen instructions to generate the mobile-compatible application. Once generated, simply install this new application file onto your phone to complete the porting process. With Undertale now installed on your mobile device, you are ready to dive into its charming world. The game provides intuitive on-screen touch controls, allowing you to navigate menus and engage in battles. For a more traditional and precise gaming experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller, which many players prefer. Enjoy exploring the game's unique characters, making impactful choices, and uncovering its many secrets. Have fun on your mobile adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.